Hey everybody, I'm Directionally Challenged. Welcome to Hand Channel. Today I'm going to do something with this. And that. And those. Tie-dye. We're doing tie-dye. So, I thought it'd be fun to do a little episode with tie-dyeing a napkin or a washcloth, whatever. Anyways, so if you guys don't know about tie-dye, pretty much you make some folds, you do whatever you want to get a cool, interesting little pattern. So you just twist those, put up into a little ball, and your rubber band. Now the rubber banding is important. It's going to keep us together, and it's going to give us zones. Interesting zones to work with. The zones that we want for our colors. So I want to do quite a few colors. So I want a couple of zones to work with. You know what I'm saying? So let's keep it like that. Now you're wondering what I got. I got these. These are my cool little collectible Coke bottles filled with dyes. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't. We're gonna try. So we're just gonna try and make this work and make do with what we got. Alright? I don't know what's gonna happen. We're working with it. We're gonna hope it comes out and pray, pretty much. I've never, I haven't tie-dyed since I was super young, dude. It's been forever since I did anything with tie-dye. So I'm just gonna hope that this works, because I'm using food coloring, and I don't know if you guys have tried tie-dyeing with food coloring, but I pretty much just put 10 drops in, and I'm hoping for the best results. And you know, we'll find out what happens in 8 hours. I'm gonna try and edit this video on my phone, and we're gonna see how this turns out. Yeah, there we go. That's looking pretty sweet, I think. Right? That's pretty chill. Tie-dyeing, okay, so if this works out, if my plan with this thing works out, right? If it works out, I'm going to do a long-range tie-dye contest. Alright? Because I think that would be pretty awesome. I'm not sure how that's going to work out. We're going to try it. Ooh, okay. Whatever. With tie-dye, dude, here's the thing with it, right? It's just whatever, man. You go crazy with it. You do whatever you want to do. You make colors. You throw stuff on there, and you just hope that it looks good in the end, right? There, look. So that's it, man. That's tie-dyeing, and it's just a washcloth, so it goes really fast. But what I kind of want to do is give a slight little squeeze like this. Yeah. Let some of those colors meld and join together. And in a couple hours, 4 hours, we'll come back. I'll start recording another part of the video, and we'll see how this turned out, alright? So, see you in a little while. Hey guys, it's a couple hours later, and this is the result. It's not the best tie-dye in the world, but I thought it was fun, and it's just a little washcloth, but it came out really looking kind of nice and kind of cool. I like the little pastel colorings on it. I like that it's not too vibrant or too dark or anything like that. It's a nice look. There's the blues and the yellow a little bit. It's a little bit heavy on the red, so I wouldn't do that again. But hey, you know, this is my first attempt to tie-dye in a long time. I would like to do more. I might do more on the channel after this. Again, this is just because I don't have a PC or anything right now. So if you guys enjoyed this, let me know down below. I want to do something more with tie-dye. I got a few other ideas. I might be tie-dyeing some socks and doing a giveaway at some point. We don't know. If you guys want some tie-dyed socks made by me, let me know if that'd be a cool thing to do a giveaway on. So anyways, that's it. That's all. I'll see you later, navigators. Bye!